Vietnamese cooking class for couples, a romantic culinary experience. When traveling, there's nothing more special than discovering local culture with a loved one. If you're looking for a memorable experience in Vietnam, why not join a Vietnamese cooking class for couples? This is not just about learning how to cook traditional dishes, it's about creating beautiful memories together. Why is the cooking class a perfect experience for couple? Reason 1. Connect through food. Cooking together strengthens the bond. From preparing ingredients to plating the dishes, every step of the process is a chance to laugh, share, and enjoy each other's company. Reason 2. Discover authentic Vietnamese flavors. You learn how to make famous Vietnamese dishes such as beef pho, grilled pork with noodle, fried spring rolls, and banana blossom salad with chicken. Under the guidance of a professional chef, you will cook with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Reason 3. Experience a local market tour. One of the highlights of the class is a visit to a traditional Vietnamese market. You discover exotic herbs and species, learn how to select fresh ingredients, and see how local shops for their daily meals. Reason 4. Private and cozy atmosphere. Our cooking classes for couples are designed to be intimate and romantic while still capturing the authentic spirit of Vietnam. You can join a small group to meet other couples or book a private session for a more personalized experience. Reason 5. A special souvenir from your trip. After the class, you will take home authentic recipes and new cooking skills, allowing you to create your favorite Vietnamese dishes for romantic dinners back home. It's the perfect souvenir to remember your time in Vietnam. Class detail is around 4 hours with 3 dishes, and it includes market tour, hand-on cooking season or ingredients and a meal after cooking. If you are vegetarian, do not worry, because we have a menus available for you. And if you're looking for a unique and romantic activity in Vietnam, this cooking class is a perfect way to share a fun and delicious experience with your loved one. Cook together and love together.